tomorrow. I doubt it. She's, no, I had fun.
Well, you're gonna go.
Yeah. Well, this is Madam Fearless, of course, so...
Yeah.
So... She will have no issues with tarps or anything else. Madam Fearless. Lena's first tarp. Okay. Did you tell it what for? Did you tell it what for, honey? Say hello, Mr. Tarp. Let me shake your... She says, when do I get to do that? When is it my turn? Thank you. Oh yeah, okay. And let me try. Yeah, let me try. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I love Lena. Now what? Now what shall we do? Lena's first tarp exercise. Lena is the fearless one. No fear. Just who she is. She just wants to play. Just play. Play and play. Mommy gave her a bad haircut, did she? Really? This looks like she's gonna roll on it.
Yeah. You're gonna get your feet all tangled.
Yeah. She's gonna do. Cool toys, cool. Boy, she sure has a different attitude from last week, doesn't she? Just
yeah.
Totally different.
We just had to find fun things to do.
I guess so. That's right. She was so ready to play with you. She says, works for me. Look at your face. Look at you. Look at you, you goof. It's just in her face how much fun she's having. She's just, oh my goodness.